Hello children, I am here with the video of subject EVS class LKG. In this video I am going to brief the topics revision exercises, plants, farm animals, pets with their homes, water animals, insects, animals and their babies. Now let's revise the topic plant. As you have done the germination activity and learn the parts of plants. So let's have a quick recap for the same. Growing a tree. This is an apple tree. Tree. From the tree we got a fruit, apple fruit. From that fruit we got seeds. This is a seed. Once the seed is put it in the soil and after watering, first we plant the seed, then the seed sprouts. Then the sprout grow up. It get water from the roots. A tree absorb water through its root. Slowly it grow up. As the tree grows, the trunk becomes thicker and harder. Trunk. This tree has many branches. Branch. Leaves grow on the branches. Leaf. Wow, the flowers have bloomed. Flower. The petals have fallen from the tree. Now from the flowers we will get fruits. Petal. This tree bears good fruit. Can that apple become a tree too? Yes. Let's review. Branch, flower, fruit, leaf, petal, root, seed, sprout, tree, trunk. That's all. Now let's do the exercise in the EVS book, page number 58. To alike. Match the same leaves to form pairs. You have to identify the leaf and you have to match with the similar leaf. This pair is here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cuts. So the same one is here. In this 1, 2, 3. 3 cuts are here. So the pair is here. This leaf look like similar to this. So we will match with this. And the last one. So this way you will finish the exercise in the EVS book. Next exercise in EVS book, page number 59, is who is the guest. Circle the one that is different in each set. So this is ladyfinger, cherry, brinjal, capsicum. So the odd one is ladyfinger is vegetable, cherry is fruit, brinjal is vegetable, capsicum is also a vegetable. So cherry is the odd one, that is a fruit. So we will circle cherry. Now the next, mango, orange, radish, grapes. So mango is a fruit, orange is a fruit, radish is a vegetable, and grapes is also a fruit. So the odd one is the vegetable, that is radish. Next is rose, lotus, sunflower, and banana. Oh, banana is fruit. So banana is the odd one. Now in this, it's a banyan tree, coconut tree. Oh, a tree without leaves. It's a mango tree. So the odd one will be the tree without the leaves. So this way we have finished the exercise of EVS book. Now let's move towards the new topic, that is farm animals. Let's go to a farm and look for the animals. With the help of this torch, we will look for the animals. What shadow we can see? Oh, it's a cow. Cow. This is the shadow of a horse. Horse. Anyone can guess what is this? It's a sheep. Sheep. What is this? It's a hen. Hen. Two long ears. It's a rabbit. Rabbit. Short animal, that is donkey. Donkey. Animal with the horn, that is goat. Goat. I have guessed it. It's a dog. Yes, it's a dog. Duck. Duck. This is a cat. Cat. Now let me explain you. As we have visited the farm, so what is farm animals? Farm animals are those who are useful to us. Okay, farm animals are those who are useful to us. So let's review once. Cow. Cow gives us milk. Horse is useful for riding. Sheep gives us wool. Hen gives us eggs. Rabbit can be used as pet. Donkey carries loads. Goat gives us milk. Dog guards our house. Duck lays eggs. Cat is useful to catch the mouse. So that's all for farm animals, and you also came to know how they are useful to us. Now we will do the exercise from EVA's book, page number 60. Say the names of the farm animals and circle all the chicks. So as we have done and I showed you the farm animals, you can recognize the farm animals. So this is a cow, horse, goat, sheep, hen, and so many chicks. So let's find out the chicks and circle. See, one chick is hiding here near the tree. One is here near the hut. One is here near the goat. One is here behind the cow. One is here in front of the cow. One is here behind the cow. One is here behind the sheep, and one chick is near the hen. So we have circled all the chicks. Now let's move towards page number 62. In this page you have to do color the buffalo black. So this is the buffalo. In the cow shed you can see the cows, and this is the buffalo. So we have to color it black. What is the color of buffalo? Black. So we will color it black. Cow, buffalo and goat gives us milk. This is Sam. Sam has fresh butter and curd at the farm. We can make many other things with the milk. Circle the things you like. Okay. We get so many things from the milk products such as ice cream, mama makes porridge, cheese, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is paneer, milkshake, butter, and so many sweets. So what is your favorite? What do you like? I like ice cream. Then the milkshake. And of course paneer too, cottage cheese. sweets, and lots of cheese. So you circle what you like. Now we will move to next page. In this page, you have to help the cock and the hen to reach the chick. They are looking for their chick. So what you have to do? You have to help them to reach the chick. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, they have reached the chick. Now they are happy. Now let's move towards the topic pets with their homes. In this PowerPoint presentation, I will explain you the pets and their homes. So let's look. What is this? This is a cat. So where do the cat live? Cat loves to live in a basket with a cozy blanket. Yes, so cat lives in a basket. This is a dog. Dog home is, it's a kennel. It's a kennel. Fish. Fish lives in water. So it will be in the fish bowl. Fish bowl. Or aquarium. Bird. Birds live in tree. They make nests. And they have also birds home. Birds home. This is hen. Hen. Hen lives in coop. Hen lives in coop. So that's all with the pets and their homes. I have explained you about the pets and their homes. And last but not the least, that is cow. Cow lives in shed. Cow lives in shed. Now let's do the exercise in the EVS book. There are cats, dogs, rabbit and fish also at the farm. You have to match the pets with their homes. As I have shown you, it will be easy for you to do the exercise. So the first picture is cat. So cat home is the basket. Then it's a parrot. Parrot is a bird. So parrot will go here. Bird home, it's a stand. Dog. Dog lives in a kennel. Fish. Fish lives in water, so it will go to the fish bowl. So this way we will finish the exercise in the EVS book. Now let's move towards the topic water animals. So are you ready? So to learn for water animals, we have to dive into the water. So you all know swimming? So let's dive into the water and learn about water animals. This torch will help us to see the animals. What is this? What you can see? It's a seal. Seal. It's a water animal. This is dolphin. Dolphin. Do you know dolphin is an intelligent water animal? Oh, we can see sharp teeth. It's a shark. It's a shark. Now, what is this? It's a turtle. Turtle lives in water and they can live for many years. I guess it is the largest animal. Yes, that's a whale. That's a whale. It's a tiny fish, I guess. Yes, it's a clownfish. It is very colorful. Oh, who is this? With 8 legs, it's an octopus. Octopus has 8 legs. Oh, this is a crab. Crab. It's look like a horse, but how can a horse in a water? It's a seahorse. It's a seahorse. What is this? It's a jellyfish. Jellyfish. So, you have seen so many water animals under the water. Let's review. It's a seal, dolphin, shark, turtle, whale, clownfish, octopus, crab, seahorse, jellyfish. So, bye bye for now. So, let's do exercise in the EVS book, water animals. There are animals which lives both in water and land. They are crocodile, frog, tortoise. Tortoise can live in land and water both, but turtle can live in water only. Hippopotamus. So these are some animals that can live in water and land too. So in this you have to do, there are ducks, ducklings, fish and frogs in the pond. It's fun to watch them. You have to color the fish, the frog and the duck. So in fish you can do any color. In frog you will do green color, as the color of the frog is green, and duck you can do yellow color. So this way you will do coloring in the pictures. Now moving to the next page, you have to trace the waves with blue color and color the starfish yellow and the blue whale blue. So trace the waves this way and then color the whale blue and the starfish yellow. So this way you will finish the exercise in this book, and you have now children, let's learn about insects. Look at this. A butterfly is sitting on a flower. Butterfly. Butterfly is an insect. What is this? Bees love honey. It's a honeybee. The wings of a dragonfly have a net-like pattern. It's a dragonfly. Dragonfly. A ladybug has beautiful pattern on its back. Black spots on its back. A firefly is lighting up. Firefly. Oh, a mosquito bite me. Be careful of my mosquito bites. Mosquito. Mosquito likes to suck our blood. A fly is caught in a web. Fly. Fly. A spider. A spider makes a great big web. Spider. The front legs of mantis have sharp spines. Mantis can be seen on grasses. Mantis. A cricket is chirping. You can hear a chirping sound. It's a cricket. Cricket. A grasshopper jumps very well. That's why it's called grasshopper. Grasshopper. A dung beetle is very strong. A dung beetle. Ants are marching. Ant. Ant. A beetle has a hard body. Beetle. Beetle. Oh my God, it's a cockroach. Cockroach. I hate cockroaches. Go away, please. Let's review. Ant. Ant. Bee. Honey bee. Beetle. Beetle. Butterfly. Cockroach. Cricket. Cricket. Dragonfly. Dragonfly. Dung beetle. Dung beetle. Firefly. firefly, fly, fly. Grasshopper, grasshopper. Ladybug, ladybug. Mantis, mantis. Mosquito, mosquito. Spider, spider. Now let us learn about animals and their young ones. Cat, the baby of cat, kitten. Cat's young one is kitten. Dog, dog's young one is puppy. Baby of dog, puppy. Hen, hen's baby is chick. Hen's young one is chick. Donkey, donkey's baby is foal. Donkey's young one is foal. Duck, duck's baby is duckling. Duck's young one is duckling. Horse, horse young one is colt. Horse young one is colt. Rabbit, rabbit's baby is kit. Rabbit's young one is kit. Pig, pig's baby is piglet. Pig's young one is piglet. Sheep, sheep's young one is lamb. Baby of sheep is lamb. Goat, goat's baby is kid. Goat's baby is kid. Goat's young one is kid. Buffalo, buffalo's baby is calf. Buffalo's young one is calf. Cow, cow's baby is also calf. Cow's young one is calf. That's all. Now you are aware of the animal and their babies. So let us do the exercise in the spiral book. That is, match the mama with their babies. Spiral book, page number 99. So this is cat. So cat's baby is kitten. Next animal is pig. Pig's baby is piglet. Hen. Hen's baby is chick. The last one is dog. So dog's baby is puppy. So we have done the exercise in the spiral book. That's all for EVS. Thank you so much, children. Take care. Always keep smiling and keep doing revision at home. Bye bye.